Oui, oui, monsieur. Guess what time it is? You guessed it. And I'm not having a snack, that's for sure. Just going to do this unboxing. What I got, and I've had it for a couple of days. I've been waiting to get time to throw this video together. It is Napoleon's Imperial Guard infantry musket from the years of 1804 to about 1819. So that's what we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at here today. So I'm putting this video together to do it, and I have not opened it. This is legitimate, a real unboxing for the very first time. I have not seen this musket myself personally. So shall we proceed? So here we are, and here is the box. It's a long, very long, monsieur, very long box. Oui, oui. All right, from our friends at Military Heritage. They sent this to us. We're going to take it out, and we know how to do that easily now. After we did one, we thought we could open it up and raise the whole flap up, and there she lays in the box. But it's the hardest way to do it. So we want to open the end of it and get it real easy. And I got a nice thank you written on the box. So I guess thank me for having an interest in it, but thank Visa, because it belongs to them right at this point until I get it paid for. But anyhow, yeah, every week, man, I save a little money back. I've been trying to work on getting a little money backed up there so I could make these purchases. Do you need one of these? No, we do not, but hey, it's one of them things. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this guy, see if we can get it going here. I'll place this down here like so. The only thing we got to do with this is cut the old tape. Where are you, Mr. Utility Knife? There he is. And so we'll just lightly make a little cut here and there. We're hoping this is a dandy. Be careful not to cut yourself. Don't want to do that. All right, and there the end of it is opened, and we got a plate of styrofoam. This stuff was always good for making a mess. Pull that out of there. Maybe. There we go. Put that in the old trash can, and then we'll try to get a better camera angle so we can see this dude coming out of the box. Then we're going to lay it up here on the freezer here real quick. But we should be able to bring it out here. So there she is. She is a beauty, huh? Yes, a real beauty. Okay. So there we go with that. We'll lay this guy, this house is all wrapped. We'll lay this guy down here like so for now, and then we'll get ready to take this packaging off of it and get that done. So that's our next step. Okay, so we're looking at the styrofoam stuff here, and we got to make a couple little cuts in the styrofoam to get it off of there, to take care of that. Cut that tape. I got a little piece of styrofoam to clean up. That's a mess. That out of the way. So we're looking at what we got so far, and we could take this off, maybe. I think it's got some tape on it too. We'll have to cut some of this tape a little bit. sir. All right, so we cut the tape a little bit. Hopefully I'm getting this on this. Now we gotta make a cut there and a cut there. So we got some more tape to cut. It's got some of the bubble wrap stuck on it here. All right. Should be able to get it here shortly. A little tiny bit. Don't want to accidentally nick our gun. That's for sure. Looking down here on the end. All right. Work her over. Oh, yeah, she's pretty, isn't she? Look at that. Yeah, that is pretty nice. Very nice, huh? Oui, very nice, huh? Very nice. I'm sure I got some shots of my junk laying around everywhere down here. But that's how it is when you got a lot of junk. I tend to get this. Every time I clean stuff up, I have to find something. I throw it all over hunting for something. And then it takes me a while to get back around to straighten it up. All right. But yeah, I seen this and I said, man, I gotta get me one of those. I don't know why. It's one of those things you gotta have. No. That's a pretty dark wood. This guy is. Yeah. Very shiny. Very nice. Yeah, brass flash pan. Got some writing on there from the mint where it was made at and all that good stuff. Yeah, nice. So there we go. And so far I'm not disappointed none, that's for sure. She looks pretty nice, huh? Very nice, huh, monsieur? Oui, monsieur. Take it down, monsieur. Bang! That'll be it. Start at this end.
Oh yeah, oh la la, oui, I like monsieur, I like oui, oh that's very long, yes, monsieur.
And it's got a metal ramrod, so you don't have to worry about breaking the ramrod on these things, right? Don't have to worry about that. And of course there's the lock. And of course that lock's I've never touched it or cocked it, so let's take and cock it and see exactly. There's the half cock. Oh wow, that's a wide flat trigger on that thing. Not my favorite trigger, but I don't have any gun that has a trigger like that, I can tell you that. There's the full cock. And let me, whoa. That baby is heavy, huh? Had a little trouble. Ah, there we go. It's going to need some breaking in, so that means you're going to have to shoot it. This is the descending light on a cord. Stay up there, light bulb. So it's pretty stiff, that's for sure. Very stiff. You say, oh, what are you doing, Ed? I can't see what you're doing, man. Get your camera on that, would you? I was just playing with the with the prison there. That seems to come down and click, and then bingo, pops open. Right there's your brass pan, ready to hit it. And this baby here, oh, it's tight. And when you hold it out, holy mackerel, that damn thing's heavy. I'm gonna have to eat some more Wheaties before I can play with that thing. Wow. Yep. Yeah, I just had some flaming hot Cheetos. And all of a sudden they decided to mess with me. But anyway, let's see. Brass barrel bands and the brass tip on the front. The steel ramrod, yeah. Yeah, oh, that's German. You must be a French German, eh? And yeah, it's pretty wild. One thing it has that I don't see, I've seen pictures of them, but I didn't never. That one in person has got that cutout on the stock for your cheek. But ooh, man, what does one of those weigh, eh? Very heavy, yeah. So I can't really complain about it. The only thing that would make me happier is if, you know, I had two of them. Oh my. But it has some markings on the top of the barrel and everything, so. But yeah, it's a shiny, pretty piece. But anyway, I want to do that unboxing. I've been waiting a couple days on it. It showed up. I thought, man, I got to do an unboxing. It has absolutely no sights on it. It does have a bayonet lug at the bottom. And people ask me sometimes, I have been asked about bayonets. And I'm like, oh no. So let's take this baby. I think it'll sit there. It falls over and gets a big ding in it, and I'll be crying like a little baby. I'm gonna take off. Keep an eye on that for me, will you, boys? All right, I'll run and get that bayonet. I got a Frenchy bayonet. We'll see if it fits it. It's gonna be tight under that ramrod, though. Let me go see. Ta-da! I'm back. I should have stopped the camera while I did that. Is what I should have done, but I didn't think of it till now. All right, so this guy here, this is a British bayonet. And I could probably stand the oil with it a little bit. Wouldn't hurt it a bit. Anyway, we'll have to move this over to try it. See. Well, the British bayonet, you can pull your ramrod up a little bit. That bayonet's not going to go on it. It's not too bad a fit as far as tightness goes. It's not bad. That's a British bayonet there, but it definitely have to file down the bayonet lug just a little bit to get that to fit right. Now this is the one that fits the French Charlottesville, and of course it's made differently, so it's not, and it won't even go over that barrel. It won't fit at all. So if you're going to buy a bayonet and you can't get anything else, you may have to file down the lug a little bit to get it to go on there. You might be able to wiggle it down on there, but I don't. I just punched a hole in my pipe up there. It's a low ceiling, matey. A low ceiling. And I don't want to scratch it all up, but that is a nice ramrod. So, yes, we have a bayonet. I don't know what the word is for all that stuff in different languages, but hey, if I did, I'd probably say it. So this will be it, mateys. This will be it. Beautiful piece of craftsmanship. Nice and pretty. All right, well, that's it for the unboxing. The French bayonet that I got for the French musket, the regular infantry, they don't fit that because this has got the big bore. It's the 14 gauge. I thought they were 12s. But it might be 14, 12 seems to be just a hair big. So, all right, well, Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video, because I definitely enjoyed making it. Now I got to go and put it all together, because I try to do it differently than I usually do. So everybody have a great time, behave yourself, and what they say, oui, oui, monsieur.